Welcome to Go Lesson 15, Structs. Structs let you create custom data types by grouping related fields together. They are the foundation for object-oriented patterns in Go. You will learn to define structs, access fields, and work with nested and anonymous structs. Let's start with Struct Basics. A struct is a collection of fields. Think of it as a blueprint for data. We use the type keyword, followed by the struct name, and the struct keyword. This person struct has three fields: name, age, and city. Each field has a name and a type. Field names start with uppercase for export. We can create a struct instance with var, then set each field individually. Access fields using dot notation. The struct prints all fields together. Struct literals are more concise. Name the fields explicitly for clarity. You can omit field names, but then order matters. This is less readable. You can initialize only some fields. Others get their zero values. Notice Diana has zero values for age and city since we only set name. Now let's see how to modify struct fields. Struct fields can be changed at any time using dot notation. Here is a product struct with name, price, and stock. We create a laptop product with initial values. Modifying fields is straightforward. Just assign new values. The discount changes price, and we decrement stock. Important: structs are copied by value in Go. When you assign a struct to another variable, you get a complete copy. Changing the copy does not affect the original. Structs can be compared with equals if all fields are comparable. P1 equals P2 because all fields match. P1 does not equal P3 due to price difference. Now let's explore nested structs. A struct can contain another struct as a field. This allows you to build complex hierarchical data structures. First, we define an address struct with street, city, and country. The employee struct includes an address field along with name, age, and salary. Creating a nested struct requires initializing the inner struct too. Notice how address is initialized in line with an employee. Access nested fields by chaining dot notation. emp.Address.City gives us the city from the nested address struct. You can modify nested fields the same way. Change the city and salary with direct assignment. The nested structure keeps related data organized and accessible. Finally, let's look at anonymous structs. Anonymous structs have no named type. They are defined and used in line. They are useful for one-time use, like configuration or API responses. We define the struct type and initialize it in one statement. No type name means you cannot reuse this struct definition elsewhere. Access fields just like named structs. The syntax is the same. You can create slices of anonymous structs. This is handy for quick data collections without defining a type. The loop iterates through each user in the slice. For simple data like coordinates, anonymous structs are very concise. Anonymous structs keep your code simple when you do not need a reusable type. Let's recap structs. Define structs with type and struct keywords. Access fields with dot notation. Structs can be nested. Anonymous structs are great for one-time use. Thanks for watching. In the next lesson, we add methods to structs. Like and subscribe to continue your Go journey.